Hi, and welcome to the Fulminata Robotics YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Android Studios to the FTC SDK. So first go to the file in which you put the SDK, and then extract it. Next, open up Android Studio, click Import Project. Now locate your file, your SDK file, and instead of clicking on the folder, click on the actual SDK right here. Click OK, and it should open up a window to start loading up Android Studio with the SDK in it. Now you'll see this loading button down here. That means it's still loading. Okay, so now you'll see it's done loading. Now, there will be an error message that pops up that tells you to download some files. So click on the blue underlined section that says to download those files. However, if it doesn't show up, exit out of Android Studio and open it back up again. And while it's loading up, it will show you how it's building and give you the error message. Click Install Missing SDK Packages, and Android Studio will automatically do it for you. Agree to the terms. When that's done, click Finish, and it will try building the project again. When you see a green check mark, you know it has been built successfully. Now, you'll notice there are several folders you can open up. If you open up Teen Code, Java, then you'll notice that there's no other files in here other than a README. This gives you information on what you put in here. This is where you will put all of your code that you create. If you look in the FTC Robot Controller folder, go into Java, and External Samples, you will see samples of code that show you concepts in the FTC SDK. For example, a linear op mode. So that's it. Android Studio has now been set up. You're now ready to start programming in Android Studio.